What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, it's a shortcut from this morning's stream. Had a nice trade and walkthrough on HSDT and wanted to share it with you guys just in case you did miss the stream. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, sub to the channel so you don't miss any of the content, and let's get right into it. Good luck, everyone. Oh, please tell me I bottom tick that. Playing super small HSDT here. Super small risk, at least. Okay, come on. Hammer it up. I want to see this get back above 2, go through 205. Okay, 204. Did I just bottom tick this? Scanner's going nuts. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I'm focused right now, guys. I'm sure other things are moving too. I'm just in this trade. So up through 205, 207. I should get a decent pop here. Trying to be patient. 100K bidder here, 199. Okay, 207. There we go, 214. Okay, I'm taking a quarter off there. Yeah, the beginning sounds insane. I'm sorry, guys. Right at open sounds crazy. Okay, 214, 215. Give us that push up through 220. 100K bidder here. 100K bidder's walking up, actually. We are halting. We are halting up. HSDT halting up. Literally bottom tick this thing. Let's freaking go. Halted. Let's go. So I still have 7,500 shares, 193. What I was doing is I watched this shit walk down. It was like a 20K ask. It went here, it went here, it went here, and nobody was hitting it. So I just hit it right there, 193, hit 10,000, and I was risking literally right here, 190. Let's freaking go. Please open up at like 250. I don't like when it opens back where it halted at, because that usually fakes me out. So 937.17. It's about 15 seconds from now. So we'll see what happens. A couple bids up here, 225. Hope it opens high. All right, cross your fingers, guys. Here we go. Good unhalt. Good unhalt. Come on. 227. Okay, I'm taking 25% off there. Okay, I got 5,000 shares left, guys. I'm gonna stop. Okay, hold on. Hold on. 235. So 240's res. Okay, I got 2,500 left. I'm gonna stop 219. Really needs to push up through 235, 240. Heck yeah, what a freaking great trade. Let's go. 239. Here's the 240 res that we've been struggling with. 244. Give us another halt up. Yes! Second halt. Second halt. It's halting. 244. 244 spinning. Come on, halt. Halt, halt. They're selling on it. Come on. Oh, they sold on it. Okay, it didn't halt. Move my stop up on that. No halt. Oh no, don't do this to me. Oh, don't do this to me. Okay, I gotta trade this on my other screen because the freaking Matrix did that thing that it does to me. So we're up to 250 now. 250 is another psychological resistance level. I should have held that 5,000 instead of the 2,500. Okay, we're halting 250 now. Halting 250. If it'll let it halt, let's go. Come on. If it'll let it halt. 100K on the bid. Come on, halt, halt. Okay, halting, halting, sweet. So we're at resistance here, 250. The pre-market high was 271. Over this level, I mean, this is a couple wicks on the daily too. A little bit at 3. The 200 SMA is at 440. I don't know if we're gonna go that high. We're already up 288%. So I'm gonna look to sell like 1,500 out of my 2,500 out this halt. I'm in at 193, JD. Literally 1 cent from the bottom, and I bought on the ass. So 192 was on the bid, 193 was on the ass. That's where I hit it. Bottom ticked it. That's very rare. I don't bottom tick it very often. So I want to sell these 1,500 right after it opens, I think, really. We'll see how high it opens up. I think it could run to 3 here and then reject off. It'd be nice if we opened up like 270, 275. That would be sick. About 10 seconds, guys. 10 seconds on HSDT halt. 26K bid here, 252. All right, gap up for us. Gap up for us. Come on, a couple seconds here. Okay, 267. Took my 1,500 off there. I'm gonna do 249 stop on the last bit, and that'll be it for me. $263, 64. It's trying. There we go. 270, 275. A little bit of res. 275 there. Okay, taking 500 more off actually. I've got 500 shares left. 250 stop. All right, big short right there, 59. Okay, they're walking it down. They're trying to halt it actually. They're halting it down. Watch out, guys. Remember I said we got to get out before the third halt. So it's trying to halt down right now. So we went from 193 to 275. Let's freaking go.